XTIA stock analysis and XTIA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. And I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I've seen what's working, what's not. Especially now with XTI Aerospace, I'm looking to double down on it like crazy. Not randomly, Joe, but just... Previously I sold, but here double down, I guess in this case, is just trying to milk the most that I can out of it. You know, with a 65% increase in price and just gains, I can tell you that most of the times, it's just waiting for pure confirmation, right? So this case, this is like a 15-minute chart. If the confirmation makes sense, technically nothing is in the way for me buying and just demolishing it, right? Just buying more. But look, the red part must happen. That's why I have it in caps and waiting with the exclamation mark. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. If you also want to stay tuned with XTIA, it's free.